Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're checking out a budget-friendly yet powerful cleaning solution, the Eureka WhirlWind Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner, model NEN110A. If you want a lightweight vacuum that handles both carpets and hard floors without the hassle of bags, this one is designed to keep cleaning simple, fast, and efficient for everyday home use. The first thing you notice is how lightweight and easy to move it is. The canister design makes it smooth to pull around furniture, corners, and tight spaces, which is especially useful for apartments, small homes, or multi-room cleaning without fatigue. One of the key features here is the 2.5-liter bagless dust container. Instead of buying replacement bags, you simply empty the dust cup when it fills up. This makes maintenance more convenient and reduces long-term running costs. Despite its compact size, the Eureka WhirlWind delivers strong suction performance for everyday cleaning tasks. It works well on both carpets and hard floors, picking up dust, crumbs, pet hair, and small debris efficiently. It's not a heavy industrial vacuum, but for regular household cleaning, it performs reliably. Another useful feature is the integrated airflow control on the handle. This allows you to quickly adjust suction strength depending on the surface you're cleaning. Lower suction for delicate rugs, higher suction for deeper carpet cleaning. It gives you more control without complicated settings. The vacuum also includes a washable filter system, which helps trap dust particles while keeping maintenance costs low. Since the filters can be cleaned and reused, you don't need to frequently replace them. One of the biggest advantages of this model is how easy it is to carry and store. The compact design makes it ideal for smaller living spaces where storage room is limited. You can easily tuck it away in a closet or corner when not in use. The floor nozzle is designed to transition between carpets and hard floors, so you don't need to constantly switch attachments. This makes cleaning faster and more efficient for daily use. Noise levels are also relatively manageable compared to larger vacuums, making it more comfortable for routine cleaning sessions in shared living spaces. Overall, the Eureka WhirlWind Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner is a practical, lightweight, and affordable cleaning solution for everyday home maintenance. It may not have premium features like high-end vacuums, but it delivers solid performance, easy handling, and low maintenance, exactly what many households need. Buy link in the description below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more daily tech and home appliance reviews here on Gadgetverse.